Hi, welcome back to Musicians Edition. Once again, I'm Evan, and I'll be your teacher. First, you'll learn what intervals are, starting with semitones and whole tones. Let's jump into it with what's now your second musical term, interval. An interval is the space between two notes on the piano. Let's go ahead and check them out on the piano. We're going to start with the shortest intervals. First, there's a semitone, which is just moving one note to the left or right. That can be either a white key to a white key or a white key to a black key. We count them all the same. One note is one note. Just like that. Semitones. One note, that's it. Our other interval is a whole tone, or simply a tone. Either name works. A whole tone is two semitones. That means we move two notes to the left or right. Think of it like jumping over a hole to get a whole tone. Again, that can be white key to white key, or white key to black key, or even black key to black key. These are also called whole steps and half steps. This is more common in America, but I believe the rest of the world uses tone and semitone, and that's how I learned it. So those are the terms I'm going to use. But if you ever hear them called steps, just know a step is the same as a tone. See you next time.